Coming to you hot from the Flower City, home of Bausch and Lomb Wayfarer sunglasses and Boris the Cat, child's play for adults. We're on Boris Part 16, which in cat language is Boris 12. Pay attention now, or I'll keep you after class. Shining my shoes. Boris had business. She riposted by leaning her head to one side, calling his bluff, then wheeling in departure. He stood with an armor of stillness, grimly statuesque. Dignity required he follow only with his eyes, and then as sentinel. Good form dictated seeing this lady off, as if she blew town in a gilded carriage. To devote years of life to meditation and prayer, to see the enemy, endure without yielding, sustain and harden patience, swear deadly force against male and nature, to ritually observe social and sexual celibacy, fertility and destruction, truth and deception, osmosis from without inward, to have flowed and shaped art like water, to subsequently cross steel with adversary inimically armed, not with cherished violence or harmful design, neither hostility nor prejudice ill-disposed, ambushed by perfume, pernicious, fatal wickedness unchecked, perfidious extract this scent of a woman, diffusing and imparting redolence, reminiscent and suggestive. Caution wept without urgency, krill to the monster, procrastination to one favoring progress, profligate dilution of immunity to ward off her virus as shameless dissolution, is to quest utterly prodigal when passe reckless begets profitable ruin. For her money, gold and silver were the only means of settling account in trade, the exchange medium itself preeminent over goods and service. Universal value, the master class, above artisan and predatory financial midwife. Historically premeditated, preconceived judgment, detrimental to none. The power of gold as godly barometer of commercial transaction. Color reflecting rock ranked beneath low in estimation of worth. Only pure metal precious. Whimsy fancied as a literary trifle flew from money to man, back to money, and then back to man. Boris personified spirit of evil beyond magnetism of any man read or heard. His poverty as fallen angel was terminally devastating to feminine alibi and ambition. How to coexist with a denizen alien to residence, not indigenous, improper to constitution and character, more than usually cruel, unfettered by puritanical instinct. Beguile, mislead, beleaguer, delude, whither the weapons of male destruction. Boris, center of mass, heartless in origin, lay equidistant from all points of circumference and surface, a position customarily assigned representatives holding views intermediate between those of right and left. Turned on its axis, his cerebrum yet defied description. Night fell. She kindled fire and incense to soothe the fever of his memory. Take that to heart, Boris lovers. Thank you for your attention.